How to message a Shopee seller. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to message a Shopee seller. First, go to Shopee official website and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Next, locate the cart order that you want to purchase. In the bottom right corner, you will then see a chat option. Click on it to message the Shopee seller. Type your message and send it. You can also include photos or videos if you like. If the seller needs more information, they will contact you back and we will be happy to assist you with your query. This is how you can message a Shopee seller. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.